Hi guys, I'm back with a new video where I'm making a very old-fashioned Haitian dessert. I know you're going to like it. If you have a sweet tooth, this video is for you. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel. You guys are very similar to donut. You can eat it with Nutella, with glaze, basically any topping you eat. You can eat donut with. Yeah. We want to start with the coconut milk, next adding the evaporate milk, and then we're going to give it a quick mix. And now I'm adding my butter. Now I'm adding my melted butter. So be sure your butter is not hot. So mix that together. Let me know down below how you eat your donut with. Let's get started there. The ingredient will be on the description below, so make sure you check if you want to know the measure or whatever you want to know. So now I'm going to smash my banana. So just follow the video how I smash it. So I smash it with a fork. I'm adding 2 room temperature eggs. Make sure make sure you mix those parts really good, because you want the egg to mix. After that, I add the lime zest. So I'm going to add, next I'm going in with vanilla extra. For the vanilla extra, I add the white one and the red one. After that, I add 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder. Make sure you mix all those ingredients together. Make sure you mix them really well. If you don't have like a mixture, you can use like your spoon. So make sure you mix all those 3 ingredients you just added very well. So now I'm going with the banana we just mash up. The banana we just mash up. So that's the one I'm going to add next. Now it's time to add your flour. For the flour, you can add it little by little if you don't have a mixture. But if you have the mixture, it's not a problem. You can add it and then mix all together. And mix it until it's well dissolved. Now I'm going to add my sugar, and also be sure you mix your sugar until it's well dissolved. And don't forget to add a pinch of salt, and continue to add in the flour until you form your dough. So as you can see in the video, I add the flour and until I have like a dough. So that's what we're looking for. Now we're going to add it into our counter. Make sure your counter is clean with soap and water. And then once you add your dough, make sure you add some flour, and then it will be more easier. So now I'm going in with my rolling pin to roll it down. Make sure don't make it too thick. And now I'm going to show you how you can make different shape of donut or coquillole, and it doesn't taste well it done. Make sure don't make it too thick. And now I'm going to show you how you can make different shape of donut or coquillole, and it doesn't taste just finished watching the video of how you can do different style with the coconut or donut dough. Just follow the video of how we did different style with it. And it does taste amazing, so we're just going to cut it. You can trace it. I don't know if I say it right. So now it's time to cook them. Before you fry them, make sure your pot is not too hot. And it looks so delicious right now. When it's golden brown, go ahead and take them off. If you want, you can add some sugar, or you can eat it with something else, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and comment, and subscribe also. And if you try this video, don't forget to leave a comment of on how you eat your donut with. And thank you so much. I'll see y'all in the next video.